Fireworks Part 4.
I looked it up. That's why Google searches are so awesome. It comes up with this whole sentence here. Perfect. It says the typical July 4th show budget is $3,000 to $20,000.
It cost how much?
Well, 3,000 to 20,000 is typical range, according to CaptainBoom.com.
That's like a pumpkin.
Yep.
Setting off over my left is like stupid. Like setting off near the lightning. So fireworks near lightning, it's like instant death. They keep shooting because they're dumb. That was cool. This one's gonna be big. 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 Now get ready because I know that soon the finale is coming. It's gonna get pretty cool. I think the finale is the best. That's all that means. No more sitting on it. Very comfortable chair. Then third. Oh, that was like a Sunoco song. Just Mudkip's in the cool. I only have 3 videos right now, so.
David, you got the hide and seek video?
No. I wish that people would stop walking in front of my DS. Then you guys could actually just continue watching fireworks, not faces.
I'm trying to command the fireworks.
Big. Small.
Big.
Or big. Don't even tell me that they're singing again. I've been hearing like music. Hearing music in like the background. When the finale, I would get your ears ready. It's gonna hurt. That was like a bracelet. That was a small one. If my camera's shaking, that's because I'm shivering. It's cold out here. I think it's around like 12 o'clock-ish already. So cool. I think that's for the finale. Never mind, not the finale.
Oh my gosh, that's big.
As though I don't have to do any more parts for this, so it's getting hard to hold my arm up. That was Ryan. Ryan made the thing across the camera because he's Ryan. I think it's for the finale. Yep, I think it's the finale. Yep, it's the finale. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will be asking for at least 500 likes. Thanks for watching. This was Pt.final here. Thank you for watching. Bye.